Hello, Carlo Villanueva. Carlo, are you still in Carlo, in City Hall? Carlo, nasa ano ka pa rin? Nasa Justice, ano ba? Justice Hall? Nasa ano ka pa rin? Nasa Justice Justice Rene. Justice ni Rene ang gusto ko. Kaya na ko yun si ano yun. Si Marlon was a pool player dati. How did you know? How did you know? Paano mo? Paano mo siya na kilala? Kilala mo siya, Peter? Paano mo siya nakilala? Lucky. Kapitbahay mo siya. Okay. So, nasa City Hall, sa Hall of Justice ka pa rin? Oy, Hall of Justice ka pa rin. Your family friend. Okay. Okay. Justice sa home for the agent. Pero guys, mga, guys, kung ako guys pag halimbawa, pag nasa position ako guys, kanang nasa government position ko guys, kanang I gonna gather the all para lulo guys, isang isang city ba? Diri, kanang mga one city, lulo para lulo city kay i-separate ko na sila guys kay mga dangerous man sila. Kasali na doon si Neil. Okay, Peter. Thank you for passing by. Bye-bye. Good night. I gonna end my live later. I gonna end my live in 2 minutes. I think it's 12 already. Hi, grabe mag-English, oy. I'm from Quezon City, Peter. And my Oy, tulog na mo, oy. Quezon City, yeah. Really? Yes, really, you. May kamukha kang artista, demonyong Tisoy. Tisoy, don't be plastic, Tisoy. Don't be plastic. Huwag kayo guys na may kamukha whatsoever because I'm one in a million. Wala ko'y kamukha, guys. I'm one in a million. Cause one in a million, once in a lifetime. Okay, Peter. Good night. Good night. Good night, guys. Tell me the channel. Tell the channel, please. Later I gonna video and then I put it in my day. Hi nako. Tiny. Nayawa. Bata pa niya siya, guys. Nice meeting you, Amiens engineer. Hey, engineer. Engineer nonchalant. What engineer you, ikaw? Anong engineer ka? Civil? Electric? Anong civil ka? Anong engineer ka? Yo, Sean. Hi, Sean. Anong engineer ka? Engineer para lolo or what? Don't forget me, Sis Joe. Mag-story ka later na, guys. I gonna share the story later. Kanang mag-share kong story, guys, if I have more time. Because now the time is not enough, guys. Because my story is a long story. About my past, kanang the first time ko gi-Georgia, kanang I gonna share it to you guys. First time ko, guys, nag-flood control. Huh? Engineer na siya sa flood control. Si Joel? Unsa ka na engineer? Long story lagi siya, LJ. Kaya next time kay haba-habaan ko yung life ko, guys. I gonna make my life very longer. Okay, guys, sometimes I'm just guys, kanang tabag nito. I just wanna say hi to my friends here, like hi, bye to UG Bars. Okay, muna siya, I'm not alone You were not alone. Saan ka sa QC? Nasa ano ko guys, kanang near sa Mindanao Avenue, near to Trinoma. Yeah. Yes, my dear. Yes, my dear. Taga-asa man di ay ka, Joel. Wala naman to si Yani, oy. Uy, Yani. Ayag offer yan eh. 12K daw. Ano yan 12K? 12 carats? Yawa ka 12K. 12K daw guys. Siguro 12K. Iyuton niya ako sa 12K. Yawa ka, Jackie. Ayaw nag-Jackie go for offer of 12K Jackie kay dili ka kaagwan ta Jackie. Siguro si Jackie guys, ano si Jackie? One round lang to si Jackie guys.